The next time you come to Sunset Beach to watch a sunset here where the concrete ship is in Cape May, you may notice something very different. Behind me, for many, many decades, used to be a giant water tower. It used to help up this plant and really was the only piece left of this entire operation. Well, as of this morning, it is officially gone. Crews today put some, equipment on it and sent it flying down to the ground. All that's left is just a hunk of metal, used to be a water tower, that is now laying on the ground, in which crews will be taking it apart piece by piece and hauling it off. And I know a lot of people are saying, what is going on here on Higbee Beach? Well, we did a video on this, I would say about 6 months ago. This is our third update. We told you guys every X amount of months, we'll come back and give you a drone video to show you what things now look like. Well, fast forward to now. We're pretty much in spring, right? I would say so. And since then, a lot has happened. So I figured we'll put the seagull in the sky to give you a bird's point of view of what has changed and what you can expect the next time you come over here. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my Patreons at patreon.com. It's because of them we can do videos like this. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Even though we're still quite a ways away until we can finally enjoy this, it's exciting to know that, yes, it's coming. You'll be able to go back there, go through all the trails, see some beautiful nature, and enjoy really a walk. Because, yes, we got tons of beaches and things to go check out, but I'm a big hiker, so I like hiking more, so I'm very excited for this. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey, as always. I'll see you on the beach, which right now is actually right behind me. It's technically the bay, but still counts, right? I'll see you later. Bye.